What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstein, and today we got a very interesting new product in the house, and this is from LENSGO, and this is the 518C wireless lavalier microphone for your smartphones. And this one here they have sent me for your iOS devices, but you can also buy for your Android devices as well. And in today's video, what we're going to do, of course, is to unbox this, check out the accessories, the device, and also just to give you my thoughts and my opinion on it after testing and using it. So yes, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so we're gonna start off here with the packaging, and what I can say is that it looks really nice. I mean, it's quite simple, quite minimalistic, and it does go straight to the point. I mean, here they do already have your iPhones over here connected right inside, and you also do have your product image on the front, and it does come in 4 colors, so you can actually check it out. And of course, we'll leave all the links down below for you guys to check them out. And here's all the details from LENSGO. It does show you that it does have a use time of 9 hours, a charging time of 2 hours, and you can charge out with USB-C. And okay, so we're going to look at the other side. This is how you can use it as well for your vlogs or whatever recording. Like even for me, I can use it as my device as well, and I'm going to test it out with my iPhone 12 mini. And looking at the top here, if you want to have any details, you can check them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok as well. And also they do show you that they do give you about free 8 pieces of your protective case. Alright, so now let's just unbox and see what we have inside. Okay, so we have the instruction manual over here as expected from all of these devices. Here we have some quick start guide for your devices and also for your accessories. Here's a lovely pouch to store your device. And here we have a lot of these silicone cases, which of course is really fun and really nice for them to actually give us over here. But it does come in a black silicone case. And also we do have a USB-C cable over here to charge up your lavalier mics. And finally, we have the 518C lavalier mic over here, looking really nice and cute. And now what we're going to do is of course have a closer look on this. Okay, so here is the product, and again, this one looks really cute. It's something like you would buy from Japan or something like that, you know, like a shop where it's quite cute. And it does have a nice sticker on it which you can remove to maybe just put your stuff or make it look a little bit more clean. And very interesting here that the clip is like that to open this up. And almost dropped it there. And here we have it. These are the 2 devices that we are going to check out. And also it does come in with your black silicone protective case. And in terms of the weight to it, it's very light, I would say. It's actually very nice to hold. Good size to it, I would say. So you can just pop it in your bag. You don't have to worry about it. And it's all in one over here. You don't have to worry about any extra stuff. Yes, of course, you need a cable on this. But overall, I think it's really nice. Most people would have a USB-C cable anyway. You can just plug it in. And we're going to check out here. These are the receivers. This is the receiver. Have a closer look on this. So it is connecting using a lightning port. And for this, I'm going to use my iPhone 12 mini for this video. And also it will show you the battery lighting conditions here, the lighting indicators. Very clean and simple, and again very light. And going on to the transmitter, and you know, looks really nice. And yeah, just before we do that, forgot this is the case itself, and it does charge up with the USB-C port on the bottom. And again, we have the charging stands over here to charge up your devices. And here are the devices, looking really nice. And again, like I mentioned, silicone case, so you can actually just remove it if you want. But black's always really nice to keep it more subtle, if in case you want to use it for good interviews, whatever. You can put it into your shirt and you won't attract attention. But of course, you can go crazy. You can use the back one over here that they have given for free. So here on the back, you do have the clip-on, so you can actually clip onto your t-shirt or whatsoever. You do have your charging port on the bottom as well. And of course, the microphone is targeted on the top here to get all that sound, your power button, and also your LED indicator. So for this, I'm going to show you, it's actually very simple to use it. So what you want to do is just go on to your iPhone here, just plug it in on the lightning port, and you'll see that the lights will be blinking. And what you want to do is just take one of your transmitter or your mics and turn it on. Just press and hold, and you will notice that the LED indicator over here would have a stable blue light to show that it's actually all connected. And if once it turns red, meaning the battery is low, so you have to charge it up. And in case if you want to use two of these microphones over here to get more sound, or maybe you want to use it for your interviews, you can actually use it here. Very, very nice and simple. And as you can see, you have two indicators here to show you that both of them are connected as well. So very easy to connect. So as we can see, it works really nice. And now what we are going to do is, of course, to test out the sound on this. So you have the waves over here. You can see it's really, really short. And I am going to bring it up closer to me so you can see that, the waves are forming a little bit more over here. And the sound is actually picking up from the microphones instead of the phone. And what I want to do is now just turn off one of the devices just to power this off. So once the red light is on, meaning it's off, so I'll use up just only one mic over here. And also we want to test out the sound quality as well, if it does pick up really, really nice. And I'm just going to put it back here, take out the device, and now we're just going to play it. To test out the sound on this. So you have the waves over here, you can see it's really, really short. And I am going to bring it up closer to me so you can see that, the waves are forming a little bit more over here. And the sound is actually picking up from the microphones instead of the phone. And what I want to do is now just turn off one of the devices just to power this off. So once the red light is on, meaning it's off, so I'll use up just only one mic over here. And also we want to test out the sound quality as well, if it does pick up really, really nice. And I'm just going to put it back here, take out the device. Okay, so you have heard it there. So I gotta say that the sound quality on this is actually very, very good. I mean, as a person and as a reviewer who actually tests out a lot of microphones, I use microphone a lot of the time, so I need to listen back to my voice a lot, in case if you guys are a fan of the channel, there won't be a complaint. But in case you're first time and who's this guy talking, you may be annoyed by my voice. But I gotta say, like, the microphone on this is really, really nice. You don't get a lot of like noise all around. You don't get a lot of echo. Like over here, it's a thick wall, so it's supposed to be bouncing off. You're gonna get a bit more echo, but with this, you don't actually get that. And the sound quality on this, which picks up, is actually really, really good. I mean, you can use both of them to get more enhanced sound. You can use two of them for nice interviews, so you don't have to worry about connecting multiple devices to this. Just plug and play, which of course is really, really fun. So you can use this, and like I said, the sound quality is really nice. You don't get a lot of echo, don't get a lot of noises around. And what I want to do in the next part is to bring this out for a more outdoor setting where it gets a little bit more noisy. And we're going to test out the microphones as well, if it does a really good job as well as it does indoors. So yes, I will see you guys outside. Alright, so now I'm going to do more of an outdoor setting, and there is a bit of some noise around, and I'm using it on my chest, so you can just plug it wherever you want. And this is basically a test for maybe some of you guys who want to do it for your vlogging. So this is the amount of sound you're going to pick up, and do let me know in the comments if the microphone for my voice is still doing alright. I think it's still doing quite fine, and I think this is overall quite a good device because I did test it out a few times. But we're going to bring it out in different settings as well and see if it's legit or not. Okay, so we're in an outdoor setting here, and what I'm going to do right now is to test out the range of this. So I'm just going to walk backwards all the way, and I did actually test it out a few times here to get a rough estimate of the range and where it still connects. So without any interference or without any wall breakage, you can see that I am actually moving very far backwards, and I think the sound quality is still picking up very well on the microphone. So I'm about 100 meters away, which is quite far, and of course the sound quality doesn't really drop. And here we have some outdoor settings here, so maybe you guys want to use it for like some action scenes. Maybe you want to film a little bit, or you want to do your vloggings and you want to record something that's a bit further away. I think you can use it as well. And of course, main thing here is to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the microphone that is coming out from here and the sound quality as well. Alright, so that is it with the LENSGO 518C lavalier mic, wireless lavalier mic. And like what I can say is that, as we can tell, I am actually very impressed with this. This is something that I can recommend to people who actually want to go out and do your vlogging or do your YouTube or TikTok, and you just want to find a simple mic to use not a lot of steps, just plug and play. I think this one here works really nice, and I have tested this out with my Samsung device as well. You can use it with the native camera app, so you can use it for your Android devices as well, no problem whatsoever. And of course, it looks really nice. I mean, very simple and of course easy to carry around with. So in case if you guys want to check them out more, I will leave all the links down below as I mentioned before for you guys to check them out. And of course, if you guys have any questions, do leave it in the comment section down below. And of course, if you want to share your experiences, do it so as well. So in case if you guys want to follow me on my social media on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also here on YouTube, do it so at the Dr. Hummus Tech. So I'll see you guys at the next one.